Hi friends, Ganesh here. Hope you are all doing great. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to invest in stocks using the money you accumulated in shadow accounts. I have already posted a video about shadow accounts and how that works. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch it. I will leave that link in the description below. Now let's get inside the topic. You might have heard people saying they got double, triple times returns from the stock market investments, or people might say they lost a portion or entire investment in the stock market. Stock market investing is equal to a roller coaster ride. Sometimes you will fearfully see your portfolio value go down by 15%, 25% or even a 50%. Sometimes you will happily see your portfolio grows by 7% or 10% or even 50%. You first need to develop a mindset to just stay calm irrespective of daily portfolio changes. If you do that, you will see your investment starts to grow on an average of 10% or 12% or more per year in the long run. Statistics show investors who consistently invested and stayed in the market received very good growth. To invest in the stock market, you require a lot of time to collect information and analyze them. All the big firms, banks are using advanced software and tools to analyze the data to invest in the stock market. Even the rich and experienced retail investors buy tools and software to make the decisions. That will help to maximize their profits and reduce risks. But when you are a beginner or small scale retail investor, it is not affordable to purchase the software and the tools or newsletters. So, I'm sharing with you a simple strategy that I am using that will help you to invest your money without huge risk and gain profits. Stock market growth or decline are measured by its index values. These index values are calculated based on top companies that are listed in that market. You could easily find the current top companies list and its sectors on the internet. I also gave that link for you in the description. Using the top companies list, pick a few stocks based on sectors like IT, medical, automobile, communications, oil, manufacturing or finance, etc. Then select companies that provide dividends at least 2 times a year. Finally, see which company's stock from that list is trading at a low price. Pick that stock and buy. Please choose at least 3 or 5 companies from different sectors. Then invest equally in those companies' stock. This way, you will diversify your portfolio as it is always risk to put your investments in one company or in one sector only. Every time when you go to invest your money, see your portfolio current value and find which sector or company is lower. Buy that and balance your portfolio. For example, you have chosen 5 companies from different sectors. Make sure your investment is not more than 20% in any sector. Don't sell any stocks at least for 12 months, even if the price drops or increases. That will help you to avoid tax on short-term capital gains. Also, you need to wait some period for your investment to return you a good profit. Warren Buffett said, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Don't be impatient when it comes to your money. Also, reinvest the dividends money you received. Don't take that out. Over a period, this will help to increase your portfolio value. Review your portfolio every year and make sure the companies you hold are still listed in the top 50 list. If it is not, sell that company stock and invest back that money in the current low priced stocks from that top 50 companies. Stock exchanges have set standards for choosing which companies can be in the top 50 or 30 list. As you pick the low priced stock from the top 50 or 30 companies list, you meet the requirements almost for what advanced tools and softwares do. Also, you are choosing strong companies and investing in that. Hence, this method will remove the risks of losing your capital. I always want my capital to be protected and at the same time the growth should also be achieved. This method did both of that to me. Nobody can guarantee that you will always get profit. Stock market is very unpredictable as it is not only working based on company's performance or economic conditions. It works based on people's emotions too, which is very difficult to measure and predict. Remember, you are investing just a portion of money from your fun activities spending. So invest in stock market without any fear. There are so many strategies and ideas available to invest in the stock market safely. You will find more videos about that on this channel. So please do subscribe to this channel for watching any future videos that I upload. When you lose your fear and greed mindset, you will be able to make better decisions, which is your first step towards your financial freedom and success. I hope this video was informative and useful to you. I'm so glad you spent your valuable time watching this video. Please share this video to your friends and family. Also leave your valuable comments below. Keep watching this channel for more financial literacy videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. The blue color like buttons are fuel for the YouTube algorithm. Also, it motivates me. See you all soon in another wonderful video. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care. Love you all and stay safe. Thank you for watching.